Yeah, hello everyone, Martins here. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how you can register on the UBITEX exchange. All right, I'm going to show you how you can do that step by step. It's very easy. So the first thing you need is a referral link from your sponsor. All right, so your sponsor will send you a referral link. All right, so let's assume that my sponsor has sent me a referral link. We'll go there, and this is the referral link. So I click on it. Right, so it take me to the UBITEX exchange. All right, and then I'll click on, I'll now be able to register. So the first thing here, I choose my country or region. In this case, it's Nigeria, it's already there. Then I'll enter my email address. All right, so the email address you put will be a valid email address to which you have all the details. Okay, in case you need to recover the email address, you should be able to do so. All right, so here we go, put in my email address. All right, 6580 at gmail.com. Okay, so then I'll now put in a password that I want to use for this account. All right, password. Okay, I'll enter the password. Because of security reasons, the password will not be displayed. Okay, all right, so that's the code of the person that is referring me. It's there. So I'll now say I've read, I'll agree to the agreement. So the agreement, then the button is down there. Let me just shift this up a bit so that you can see it. All right, so there's a button here, the register button. Then we'll just click on it, click on register. All right, so then you have to do this capture puzzle. So they select 3 images with stockings. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, and then it's done. All right, so now they sent a verification code to the email address that I put in for this account. So I'll go there. I've already had it open. So what I'll now do is I'll click on the updates. Just click on the box. See if a new mail has come in. Okay, it has come here. That's UBITEX email verification. All right. So it has come in. So, all right. So we allow notification. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Show images. Okay. So that's it. So that's the code. I just copy it. I'll say copy, and then I'll go back to the registration page, and I'll now say paste. All right. So with that, I should be in. So that's it. So I've registered. It's that easy. All right. So you have registered your account. So you see my account details are here. All right. So the next thing you have to do is to verify your account. All right. So you need to verify. I think the verification, you go to Security Center, I believe, to do your verification. All right. So there's email enabled. There is two-way authentication. All right. So yeah. So let me click on KYC and see. Okay. So the basic KYC, yeah, I will need user info, ID card, and then I have to upload a selfie. All right, it's okay. So you go there and do your verification. All right, so they say the basic verification is required. Now this is a second account I'm doing. I just used an email address to do this one, just to show you how you can do that. So, but the verification is something you can do very easily. All right, you just need to take your selfie and your ID card. Either you use your national ID card or your international passport and do the verification, then you are good to go. So it's that easy. So I'll just go back to the home page. All right, and then so we can see that's it. So so after that, you can then do your staking. You need to deposit your USDT to do your staking. All right, so to deposit, you just click on deposit here. All right, and then you specify the coin you want to deposit, which is USDT. Okay, and you select the network. The network we are going to be using is Polygon. All right, so when you click on this Polygon, then you'll now be given a deposit address. So this deposit address, you click on it to copy it, which you will now place on the exchange where you are buying your USD token from. All right, so this way I'm going to sign off now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so that you can get notified when next I do a video. Cheers. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.